the pain, live the grind. I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but
Hello creators, welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. My name is Arafat. Maybe you listened this name before or you are listening this name for the first time. New or old, whatever. If you did not subscribe this channel yet, subscribe now and hit the bell icon for never miss an update. So let's start it. I choose the start point here, cut here using the razor tool, go 2 steps forward and cut here, then go 4 steps forward and cut, go 2 steps forward and cut here, again go 4 steps forward, select those and drag it to the start point. It will save your time. Continue doing it. Now press delete on your keyboard to delete this selected clip. If I play now, you can see we got a nice effect. This is the before. This is the after. We can do much more using this. Add a color matte from here. Click OK. Choose white color. Click OK. Add it to the timeline. Boom! We have another nice effect. We can change the color anytime we want by just double clicking on this. Cool. Now let's move on next. At this time I have the same video clip. Add a crop effect on it. Go to effect control. Set 80% for right. Hold Alt and make a copy of it. Set 20% for the left and for the right set it to 60%. Then make another copy of it. Set 40% for the left and for the right set it to 40%. Do the same thing again. Everything looks good. Set it to 60% and for the right set it to 20%. Again make a copy and set it 80% for the left. Unlock this to see the timeline and preview panel as well. Don't worry, we can fix it later. Now we have 5 different pieces of this video. Select start point and cut by razor tool. Go 2 steps forward and cut here. Go 4 steps forward and cut the upper clip. Continue doing this until it ends. To save time, I will store those parts because we need it later. Let's see a quick preview. Cool. If you want more, select those and drag it where you want. After adding, don't forget to delete those. Let's render it for a smooth preview. And here we go. Great. We can do much more with it. Add a color matte like before. And here we go. Great. So guys, this is the short tutorial for today. In the next video I'm coming with a new interesting tutorial. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon to never miss an update. You can also enjoy those videos.